This video got 40 million plus views and earn at least over $10,000. This channel named Pa Vexer uploaded only 4 shorts videos and got over 100,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. Let's see in details. Yes, it got 100k subscriber by uploading only 4 YouTube shorts video, but this channel created at January 2025. Got over 41 million views within 6 months. It got 78k subscribers within last 30 days. And got over 33 million views last 30 days. Monthly estimated earnings at least $8,000 to $1,33,000. And yearly average will be $100,000. Today we'll make AI video like this channel within 5 minutes. Stay connected. Let's see the opportunity of AI video search result. Keyword monthly volume is 18 lakh, that means there are huge opportunities to work with AI video. And baby rescue keyword search volume is monthly 17,000, not bad at all. No matter search volume, you see only 4 videos take 100k subscribers. Let's see the best viewed short video of this channel at a glance. Watch till the end, you will also able to make this kind of AI video within only few clicks. Anyone will able to do because everything is automated within our AI. You don't need to write script, don't need to create images one by one with various AI image generator, no need to animate those images into video clips one after one, don't need add voiceover or even background music, no need to edit video. Just watch till the end. I will show you everything in detail step by step. Firstly, find any video you wish to make similar for your own. I am selecting this video. Then click on Share button. And copy this video URL and come straightly to Google AI Studio and click on plus button. Now select YouTube video and then paste the copied URL in this box and click on Save button. And then write to extract the video and give me story and finally click on Run button and wait for few minutes. Based on the video, AI will provide a story similar to the uploaded video. Now check and copy the story. Now come straightly to our AI website. I will give the necessary links in description. Now come with my link and sign in with Google button. Click on Story to Video button. Now come to Smart Script option, and paste the copied story. Select video duration 1 minute. The select aspect ratio portrait. Select video language. Then select video style. You can select any style from here, every style make your video in different style. I selected realistic. And finally click on Next button. AI will start generating script as per we input in Smart Script box. This may take few minutes to generate entire video script. Here, our script is ready. I am using paid version, so my results are much faster than free version. Don't worry, you can use it free till your credits will be finished. And end of this video, I will tell how to use this AI completely free. AI will find all the characters according to our video script. Now tab on Auto Cast button to automatically cast characters for us by AI. If you want to change any character, tab into that character and you will find huge pre-built characters to select, or even you can make your own character with your images from Create button. I am changing a character to make you understand. You can select whoever you want. And clicked on Confirm button. Now to add any new character, click on Add Character button. You will see a pop-up will come. Search character you are looking for. I search dog, and finding a pre-built character for my story, select character you want to add and then give the character name and finally click confirm button. If you have a YouTube channel and want to monetize that channel, then find my services in description and first comment. Not only this kind of videos, you can also make kid story video, Ghibli story animation video, Bible stories video, cyberpunk, anime, comic, AI cat story video, etc. Anything you want. Anyway, let's get back to our process. After finalize characters, clicked on next button and AI will start generating AI images for our story accordingly one by one. After all image generation done, check all images one by one. If you found any image generation was not perfect, you can recreate that scene image by clicking Regenerate button. These generations were outstanding and very satisfactory. Now we will animate all images. Tab on Animate button and then click on Animate All button, then click Next button and then click Animate Pro button and finally click Confirm button will start generate this image into AI animation video. Within few minutes our video will be ready. Stay connected. I have a tips for you to use this AI free and unlimited. If my video helps, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. So without hesitation, I recommend you to try this AI at least once in your life. Images are converting one by one into video. When every generation will be completed, we will need to check them. Now we'll add sound effect to each video clip one by one to make our video more live and engaging. There are few pre-built sound effects to add them. You should check all of them and add into your video clips. I fast forwarding this process.
A baby's joyful babble fills the air, and innocent sounds soon to be silenced.
This entire AI video we are making with this single AI, and you can also use it with your mobile phone. Anyone can do because everything is automated within this AI. You don't need to write script, don't need to create images one by one with various AI image generator, no need to animate those images into video clips one after one, don't need add voiceover or even background music. No need to edit video. Just watch till the end. I will put the necessary links in description. Click on that link, you will come this AI, sign up first and try by yourself. Here generation images into videos are ready. Click next and now you can set a cover and a header for your video if you want. I am selecting none. And next select any subtitle style you want. I select no subtitle. On next tab select volume and any background music from this preset copyright free background music. When all set, tab to generate button. Now set ratio and video resolution and click on OK. And this will start rendering your AI video for final output. This process will also takes time. I am fast forwarding this process. If you find my video helps, please give a like and comment. Don't go, I have a tips to use this AI free. Here is our video is almost ready to download and upload to any social media you want to go viral. And the tips for you. Visit smailpro.com and create a random Gmail address to sign up with that temporary Gmail account and create a story and story images. Then download all images and convert them by using Hailuo AI, Kling Ai, Vidu AI, or any other AI video generator like Veer AI. What is 100% free will save your credit. In that way you can generate free
A baby's
and
joyful babble
unlimited
fills the air.
AI
An
video.
innocent sound soon to be silenced. The
Start
plane
your
shudders violently.
YouTube
A
channel
deafening roar
making
tears through the
journey
fragile
from
beast.
today.
Terror grips the young mother as the cabin
You will find all necessary links in description to start. Thank you for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
A baby's joyful
Let's see
babble
final
fills
video
the
to
air.
go viral.
An innocent sound soon to be silenced. The plane shudders violently, a deafening roar tearing through the fragile piece. Terror grips the young mother as the cabin decompresses, her scream lost in the chaos. The infant is torn from her arms, a helpless figure sucked into the unforgiving sky. Amidst the devastation, the family's loyal French bulldog is ejected into the open air. The scene unfolds, a panorama of destruction and despair. In a sky torn by lightning, a baby and a French bulldog begin their desperate descent. Driven by unwavering instinct, the bulldog miraculously secures the baby onto its back. Against all odds, the bulldog deploys a parachute, a fragile beacon in the tempestuous expanse. They plummet into the stormy ocean, their fate hanging precariously in the balance. Adrift in the tumultuous waters, the bulldog spots a floating suitcase-a beacon of hope amidst despair. With a Herculean surge, the bulldog pushes the crying baby onto the makeshift raft, a testament to unwavering love. On the shore of a deserted tropical island, a bulldog and a baby are washed ashore. Driven by the baby's cries, the resourceful bulldog shakes a palm tree. With surprising skill, the bulldog pours fresh coconut milk into a bottle. With urgency, the bulldog etches a giant SOSs into the sandy beach.
Is not it incredible without any effort? If you want to watch full free video process, I can make a dedicated video for you. Comment below and stay subscribed.